everybody, this is Unique, the baby landlord. Just wanted to talk about, let me turn this TV down, I'm sorry, that's so tacky. Just wanted to pretty much talk about what I did the other day. No, I did not show any footage. And I had to make sure it was okay. But one of the things I like to do is to basically network with like-minded people. I found, let's say, a group of landlords whom are like-minded. They're going through the journey with me. They're new landlords. In fact, I hung out yesterday with Idris. Shout out to Idris, who will be featured on my channel soon. And basically, he's known a couple of things I've been going through with my tenants, and he's been really supportive. And we just met up with the Krispy Kremes and hung out and talked and vented and chatted and had a ball. And it was great to be around someone who's understands the journey I'm on, is going through the same thing, has great advice, as well as me encouraging him encouraging me. And I told him about, you know, my channel, and he thinks it's awesome, so he's going to be featured soon. I'm going to do a little interview with him, show some pictures and so forth of his property. We exchanged pictures. We talked about upgrades done to our property. So it's so refreshing, guys, to be around people who are in the same battle as yours, same journey, and understand your world. Because one of the things that can suck you dry, especially being a landlord, is you can feel like you're alone sometimes. And yes, there's other landlords out there, but how often do we network each other? And so I'm just that type of person. I'll find landlord networking events, other landlords. I've just always been like that. I've been groomed to network properly. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that soon you will see Idris. And I had such a ball yesterday. Such a ball. It was so refreshing. I felt like, man, I'm not alone. This is so exciting. It's so cool. So I just wanted to get on really quick and tell you guys how my night was yesterday. And it was so cool. He was on call, so he had to go to work. But we was talking so much. We were supposed to be done in an hour, and we was talking so much, I believe his job called. So yeah, guys, just wanted to go on record and let you guys know, if your landlords out there, especially baby landlords, get a chance to network each other. Grab hold to other landlords, exchange numbers, chat with each other as often as possible. Remember, I had a mentor that I was talking to for a while. Other like-minded people. I think that's very important, especially along the journey that you're on, as well as the journey they're on. So yeah, this is everybody.